heavily supported by the IMC chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the NCC, and I said the National Supporters Council, Kumasi, the Circles, which is Alexander Menu, under the wings of Alexander Menu, the chairman of Ashanti region, Kumasi Asante Kotoko Circles. They provided buses at Kotoko, a media man game for supporters actually. Now, we supporter now, you are paying only 140 Ghana cedis. Now, 140 Ghana cedis, it is taking you in and out. Now, stadium also unchiashe. The offer we is one of the best offers you could have, and the experience too is going to be exciting. Ultra bus move from here to Tarkwa T&A Park Street. Ufri high Kotoko, I think say Okonoba. It's getting to 200 Ghana cedis. Udru Tarkwa was all faka a stadium, but this time bus no Edura Stadium straight. Now match tickets, I take care. I'm told to say the IMC chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Nana Pinkra, and offer no what discount no ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, into we a supporter now Kumasi and I say Ashanti regional ubetimi Akobabara Sports Stadium on this date. Now what take the matter up and I say ubetimi afre Alexander Menu, which is the Ashanti Regional Circles chairman. The number no and I'm there at two screen so amount no. Inti sa pen krawa ubetimi afa 0248 490826. That's the Alexander Menu number no. Inti ufre na and I say ono ena oji mobile money no. Number no 0248 4908. And I made it two screen so not too long ago. Inti wait my phone number no friend no was send you mobile money. Na we book you send the mobile money na. Send the mobile money na. Reference no what true the answer ho. Send e be ya dance say was send it 140. Now the momo charge no aso no so. Inti oko edru efiada na kotokobas ni E2 anopa. Okwa now the reference number actually ne say was send you sika na wafro bus no join e okwa no bow offer way is one of the best intermenya daje a me ye ho adwuma for the teaming fans of Ashanti region ni Kumasi. Alexander Menu number no opa scroll ko back actually ne ko fa number na churo in case o make say ya. Thank you so much.